Hello, good afternoon, Teacher Brian. My name is Chayanan Mifeung. Today I am going to read Things You Can Say and Things You Might Hear, Unit 2. Okay, things you can say and just looking. Excuse me, can you help me please? How much is this hat? What size is it? How much are those jeans? What size are they? Can I try them on? Do you have this shirt in medium? I can't find the price. Where can I pay? I pay by credit card. Okay, I take it. I think I leave it and think you might hear. Do you need any help? It's in the sale. They half price. What size do you want? Would you like to try it on? The changes room are over there. I'm afraid we don't accept chat. It suits you. It fits you perfectly. The subject is over there. How would you like to play? Thank you.